Hi guys, Mike with M&M Precision Painting, and today we're going to show you how to apply throat seal or packing lubricant to your airless sprayer so that it lasts longer, and God forbid you rent one and burn it up. So stay tuned. Here we go.
You still looking at me?
Hey guys, just quick tip here. A lot of people want to know like where the packing saver lubricant, whatever it might be called, it's throat seal, goes into like a Graco 390. A lot of the Gracos have this. There's a little guard right here, and you want to look right in here if you want to get a close up. And yeah, see right there, that's where you're gonna want your oil to go, or your throat seal. And you just put it on. I usually put it on there until it overflows. So, but that's where it's gonna go. And see that piston rod going up and down there, and that's just like a, I think it's called a cup saver or something, and that's where your oil is going to sit there and lubricate your piston. So yep, that's where it goes on a Graco 390, and mostly all Gracos have a similar setup with the quick fix pump. Alrighty guys. Alright guys, that's a little short video on how to apply throat seal. Please don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot more stuff coming up in the spring, so just subscribe and you won't be disappointed. So thank you and have a good one.
You still looking at me?